What's up, you guys? It's Autumn, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be how I cut and shape my curly synthetic wigs, and I'm going to be using the 3C Whirly from the Big Beautiful Hair collection by Outre. This wig is fresh out of the pack, and I got a lot of requests to do it specifically on this wig, so let's get right into it. A few things to note: I did not braid my hair down under this wig, and I also have a tan stocking cap on, or wig cap on, so you're going to be able to see it through the back. If you wear a black one, or if you just have your hair out, you won't be able to see all that spaciness. So the first thing that I do when I'm cutting and shaping my wigs is going through and fluffing it out so that I can get the hair exactly how I want it to be. Majority of the time, I don't even have to go in and cut these wigs because I can fluff it out to my desired look. But with this, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out first and then go in and cut just a few pieces to get it exactly how I want it to look. I know it might seem like I'm getting a lot of shedding when I'm running my hands through this hair, but keep in mind that it is a curly synthetic wig, and also the shedding isn't going to take away from the overall volume of how this hair looks. I do also want to say that if you don't like frizz, don't do this. Just fluff it out a little bit to where it looks more natural. But I don't mind frizz. I think it makes it look more natural. So that's why I feel comfortable going in and separating these curls like this. Okay, so that's all the fluffing I'm going to do right now. Now I'm going to kind of move it around to see how I want this wig to lay. That way I can go in and start cutting. So I'm just going to split this again into two sides and take my fingers to see how short I want to cut this, because this wig is a little bit longer in the back. It has a kind of an awkward shape to it. So I'm just going to go in with my little scissors, and this isn't perfect. Curly haircuts are never perfect anyway. With my own curly hair, my Diva cut has lots of layers. They go in and cut curl by curl. I'm not going to do that with this because I don't feel like it's necessary, but don't get discouraged if it's not exactly even. It's curly hair, so people really won't be able to notice unless you have like, oh, I cut off 7 inches on one side and 13 on the other side. Like, don't do that. But it's very easy to do this. I know somebody's watching this right now like, oh my god, when is she gonna stop fluffing her hair? But y'all, I'm really trying to prevent from having to cut a whole bunch of this wig or cut like a whole bunch of the hair off. I really want to see what type of shape I can get it into without me doing like the most, you know, like cutting a whole bunch off. So I'm gonna go in on the sides and take a few more pieces off until I get this to look how I want to. But that's the whole object of this. You just want to get the wig into a shape that works for you. So you want to cut downwards and pull the hair. That's like the biggest thing about this. You want to cut downwards and pull the hair and then kind of shape it to how you want. You can pull it out, you can fluff it out some more, get it to look how you want it to look. Also, my edges are growing back, and you're gonna see me like when they're fixed, because right now they're just, I just threw this wig on my head, y'all, to do this video. But I do go in with some gel and like lay my edges and stuff down. But I've been using this rice water from Curls and Potions. I don't feel like making rice water myself, so I just use that, and it's really been regrowing my edges from my postpartum shedding, so yay me. So that's all the shaping and cutting that I'm gonna do for this right now. I'm just showing you the back so you can see how it looks. Again, I just have a tan wig cap on, which is why you can see it through the wig, but if you have a black one, you won't see that. That's basically it. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If you have any other questions, definitely leave them down below, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye.